Are your emails not being forwarded to the destination address? Email forwarding issues in Google Workspace can occur for several reasons, like forwarding address hasn't been verified, admin policies block external forwarding, spam filters catch forwarded messages, or conflict with existing filters and rules. In this video, I'll help you troubleshoot and fix Google Workspace email forwarding issues by setting it up in the admin console. And if you're still having trouble, then our expert team is available to help you. Just give us a call on the numbers on the screen. Alright, now let's begin the process now. First, you need to open the Google Workspace admin console. Next, click on the menu on the top left side and choose Apps. Now, select Gmail from the open list of options. After that, scroll down to the default routing option and then click on it. On the open page, you should click on Add another rule option. There, you need to type in your email address to which you want to set up forwarding. Now, you should scroll down and then click on Add More Recipients option and fill in the addresses you want to add more address. And then File tab on the Save button and see if you're still facing the issue related to email forwarding. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit helpemailtales.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.